Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're using ChatGPT. And what are we using it for? Some of you romantic men out there that want to make a love letter, and women, you can do it too, but just check this out. ChatGPT has you covered. Let's say I go down to message ChatGPT, I say, please make me a love letter for my wife, Adrian, because it is our first anniversary. Please do it like Edgar Allan Poe. Whoops. I don't know if I spelled that right, but let's see. My dearest Adrian, as the midnight hour draws near and the moon casts its spectral glow upon the world, I find myself consumed, I can't read it if you push it all the way up that, by thoughts of you, my eternal muse. On this, our first anniversary, I am compelled to pour forth the sentiments that dwell within the depths of my soul, like ink from a quill upon a parchment. Yes, this is perfect. Now she's going to love me forever. And that's basically what you do. And let's say I didn't like that. Let's say I didn't like that, but I did like that. Let's say, please, can you change it to as if it was written by Macho Man Randy Savage? Oh yeah, Adrian, my love. As the stars align, the heavens themselves tremble with anticipation. I gotta lay it straight, right from the heart, brother. Today ain't just any old date. It's our anniversary, and let me tell you, it's gonna be slamming. Oh yeah, that's much better. That is much better. She's not only gonna love me forever, I'm gonna die and she's gonna love me throughout eternity. And that's how you do it, guys. It's that simple. You can do any type of way you want it, any type of design. Come up with, if you want it like Shaq or some other guy, anybody, it'll do it. And you can just use this, edit how you want, ask for different things. Prompting AI is pretty straightforward. Thank you, and subscribe.